Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.2-liter V6 engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice dual exhaust. You got a tow hitch, nice little red tow hook, backup camera, as well as nice little roof spoiler. We do get a roof rack as well. These nice black fenders on the front and rear, heated door mirrors, and moving to the front, nice red tow hooks, license plate bracket, and that nice Jeep grille. This vehicle also comes equipped with a power tailgate, which you can use on your key fob. You do also get remote start. You have plenty of back storage there. You can close it from there, 12 volt, little hooks all around. Got a nice soft tunnel cover for privacy, and lifting this up, you do get quite a bit more storage with the spare tire, and closing it, we can hit that button and it will close automatically for you. Taking a look in the side now, we can see here we do have seating for up to 5, this nice red leathering, as well as, black leathering and red stitching. Plenty of door space with some leathering on the door. Got fans, 115 volt outlet, and of course you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same leathering and stitching we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional Trailhawk logo on the front seats, plenty of door space, and your light adjusters and lift gaiter on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 86,252 kilometers. We have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with your heated steering wheel function on the screen, cruise control, voice and phone, and toggle free screen. You have your volume and mode on your back steering wheel. And looking at your main screen here, you do get vehicle info, speedometer, fuel economy, trip info, stop-start, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and so on and so forth. Over here you have leather-wrapped gear shift, parking brake, cup holders. You have your four-wheel drive, hill, as well as your locking diff, and your climate control such as snow, sport, sand, mud. Got an SD card, USB, as well as an aux, 12 volt, storage right there, as well as a nice leather-wrapped center console with the 12 volt and USB and storage, and you do get upper storage as well. Got your climate controls right there, screen off, traction, auto stop, auto start, back, tune, volume, all the use. We have our engine start there, storage, and above me we do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and up here we do get storage, as well as in the glove compartment. Your hazards are right there, and looking at your main screen here, you do get your radio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities, media such as Bluetooth, your SD card, aux, so on and so forth, your heated seats, steering wheel, mirror dimmer, and so on and so forth, apps in general, your climate, so you can control your climate from here or down there, whatever you prefer, navigation, and phone. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UB27207A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.